Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start the next topic of chapter 11, that is theory of supply. Today we are going to discuss law of supply. What is the meaning of law of supply? If other things remains constant, there is a positive relationship, there is a direct relationship between price and quantity supplies. When prices increases, producer is going to increase the supply. If prices decreases, producers are going to decrease the supply. So because of this reason, there is a positive relationship between price and quantity supplied. If other things remains constant, I will let you know what is the meaning of other things. But before that, let me explain you with an example. Suppose a producer who is going to produce X commodity and he is going to supply in the market. Suppose Px and Qx it is given. If the price of the commodity is 10, he is going to supply 100 units. If the price of the commodity is 11, then he is going to supply 120 units. If the price of the commodity is 12, then he is going to supply 140 units. It means when the prices increases, quantity supply will also increase. There is a positive relationship, there is a direct relationship between price and quantity supplied. Now how we are going to show into the diagrammatically manner, you can see 0, x and y. Here we are going to show quantity supplied and here we are always showing price as we were showing in the demand. Now look at here we are going to write 10, 11 and 12. Here 100, 120 and 140. If the prices of the commodity is 100, 10, then the quantity supplied will be 100. If the price of the commodity is 11, then quantity supplied will be 120. If the price of the commodity is 12, then the quantity supplied will be 140. Clear? Now draw it. You can see the supply curve slope upwards when there is a direct relationship between price and one. If there is a direct relationship or we can say positive relationship, then the supply curve sloped upward. Demand curve, all of you know that is slope downward. Why it is slope downward? Because there is an inverse relationship between price and demand. But there is a direct relationship between supply and price. Because of this reason, the supply curve will slope upward. You can see it supply upward. And the prices are 10, then quantity supplied 100. If the prices are 11, then the quantity supplied is 120. If the prices are 12, then quantity supplied is 140. Clear? You can see very easily. Now the next that we are going to discuss, if other things remains constant, that are also known as assumption of quantity supply. We have already discussed in the previous session that are the determinants of quantity supply. Except prices, other determinants are known as other things. Clear? Except prices of own commodity, other determinants are known as other things that should remain constant. It means price of related goods does not change. NP, it means number of firms remains constant. Goal of the firms will not be changed. Factor of the prices should not be changed. Technology remains constant. Expected prices also remains constant and government policy remains same. Then only this law will apply, otherwise it will not apply. The next topic which we are going to discuss, that is change in quantity supply or movement along supply curve. That is the same thing, change in quantity supply or movement along supply curve. Or we can say the second that we are going to discuss, change in supply or shift in supply curve. Now in which condition the supply curve shift and in which condition supply curve move. Then when there is supply change due to change in prices, when supply change because of prices, other things remains constant. It means all these assumptions should be there. That should be remains constant. Then only that supply curve move towards the upward direction or downward direction. In that condition, supply curve move in which direction? downward direction. Clear? It means when prices change and then supply change, that is known as a change in quantity supply, and supply curve moves in which direction? Upward direction or downward direction. It is two types, extension and contraction. Extension, it means when prices increases, quantity supplied will also increase. Clear? That is known as a extension. When prices increases, quantity supplied extend. That is known as extension of supply. In contraction, when prices decreases, quantity supply also decreases. When prices decreases, quantity supply also contract. That is known as a contraction of supply. Now I am going to explain you with a diagram. Look at there. In that condition, the supply curve always moves in which direction? Upward direction. And the same supply curve, it will move in which direction? Forward direction or downward direction or upward direction. Supply curve, all of you know, its slope upward. Clear? Here we are going to get quantity supplied. Here we are going to get prices. The supply change due to change in prices. Suppose the initial prices are OP. At a point it cuts on the supply curve. Suppose the initial prices are OP, then quantity supplied will be OQ. Clear? When prices increases from OP to OP1. Look at there. When the prices increases from OP to OP1, then it cuts at what point? B point. Then you can see the quantity supplied will also increases from OQ to OQ1. Clear? You can see very easily when prices increases from OP to OP1, then quantity increases from OQ to OQ1. Clear? When the supply changes due to change in the prices, that is known as a change in quantity supply or movement along the supply curve. You can see very easily the supply curve move where? In upward direction. You can see very easily from A to B point, supply curve move in which direction? Upward direction. Suppose the prices decreases from OP to OP2. Then quantity supplied also decreases from OQ to OQ2. Now that is at a C point. I have given that point C. So you can see very easily at the time of contraction, that is move downward. A to C. The point is supply curve moves downward. Clear? At the time of extension, this shows A to B point, it shows extension. And from A to C, it shows contraction. Clear? It means contraction of supply. Clear? Now at the time of extension, when prices increases, supply increases, that is known as extension. When prices decreases, supply decreases, that is known as a contraction. Now, what is the meaning of change in supply or shift in supply curve? In which condition the supply curve shift? When the supply changes due to change in other factor. It means due to change in price of related goods, due to change in number of firms, goal of firms, factor of prices, technology, expected prices and government policies. If these factors are changed and then the supply changes, that is known as a change in supply, or in that condition supply curve shift. But in that condition prices remains constant, prices will not change, prices remain same, prices will not change. So in that condition what happens? Supply curve shift in which direction? Forward direction or backward direction. When the supply curve change due to the prices, in that condition supply curve move only upward direction or downward direction. But when the supply curve change due to change in other factor and prices remains constant, supply curve shift in forward direction and backward direction. There is also two types, increase and decrease. Increase in supply curve and decrease in supply curve. Suppose there will be increase in the technology. then what will be the effect on the supply? If there will be the increase in technology, definitely the supply, the production will be increased, and if production will increase, then supply will also automatically increase. Although the price of the product is constant, but the supply cost increase. That kind of increment is known as a shift in supply curve. Clear? In decrease in supply, if there is increase in tax rate or increase in price of the factor of the production, increase in the price of factor of production or increase in taxes, what happens? Definitely it will increase the cost of the production. When there will be the cost of the production increases, definitely the producer's profit will decrease, and when the producer profit decreases, definitely he will decrease the supply of the commodity. So in that condition, supply curve shift. Clear? But prices remains constant in the market. So I am going to explain you this with a diagram. Look at there. If there is increase in technology, 0, x and y. Clear? Now here we are going to show quantity supplied. Here again we are going to show prices. Quantity supplied, slope upward. When the prices are OP, then quantity supplied will be OQ. Clear? Due to increase in technology, supply increases. When supply increases, then supply curve shift in which direction? Forward direction. Look at there, supply curve shift in which direction? Forward direction. SS1. Clear? Although the prices are constant, you have to increase the prices from A to B point. Clear? It's cut here, and you can see very easily that quantity supplied from OQ to OQ1. Clear? From A to B point, although the prices are supplied, but due to increase in the technology, you have to write in the explanation, due to increase in the technology, supply curve shift in which direction? Forward direction. This is known as a forward direction. Clear? And it shift due to which reason? You have to write in explanation, due to technology, due to decrease in taxes, whatever the question it is giving, you have to write accordingly. Clear? That is known as an increase in supply. Suppose there is decrease in supply due to outdated technology, or we can say due to increase the taxes. Look at there, I am just rubbing it and I am going to draw the diagram of decrease in supply. Suppose there is increase in the tax rate. When the taxes increases, what will be the effect of that? Cost of the production will increase. When cost of the production will increase, definitely the profit of the producer is decreased. When prices are constant that is constant. So in that condition, producer is going to decrease the supply. So how we are going to draw the diagram of decrease in supply? Look at there, 0, x and y. Here we are going to take prices, and here we are going to take quantity supplied. All of you know supply curve slope upward. Now look at here, if the prices are OP, then it cut at A point, quantity supplied will be OQ. Clear? Due to the taxes increases, supply decreases due to the other factor, although the prices are constant. So the supply curve shift in which direction? Backward direction. From S to SS1. Clear? It cut at which point? B point. You can see very easily prices are constant, but it cut at which point? New supply curve cut at which point? B point. Now draw it. Quantity supplied decreases due to change in the taxes. So you have to write in the explanation, supply curve shift in which direction? Backward direction. And y, what What is the reason behind it? Due to increase in the taxes. So when the supply increases due to other factor, then in that condition supply curve shift in which direction? Forward direction. When supply decreases due to other factor, then supply curve shift in which direction? Backward direction. Clear? If number of firms increases in the market, then supply curve shift in which direction? Forward direction. If there is expected prices, there will be the prices with expected prices in the future it will increase, and producer is going to decrease the existing supplies. So supply curve shift in which direction? Backward direction. Clear? Now we are going to discuss the next topic, that is